Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Very quickly, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So if you are looking for a trade recap or some video where the person's talking to you and doing their analysis with hindsight in their favor, then this won't be a video for you. But if you're open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I am confident you will get value in this video. So I'll go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at the open. All right, watching 151 here on SGEN for a potential short. Got it alerted here. Whoops, in the chat room. So if you're not familiar, I do offer a private community there at the site. So 151, looking for a flush, meaning the price go down, and that is known as shorting. And if you're a beginner, believe it or not, you can make money when the price you're going down. Again, that is known as shorting or going short. Whoops, missed it, but I got in there at 151. Let's see if we can get some more follow through here now. 150 would be a great breakdown point. I don't like how it's hesitating here. All right, just going to hop out there, $62. Got the break, and then you just saw things went completely silent. So a little unfortunate there. Might still go, but I really was looking for that momentum to pick up like right then and there. And as you witnessed, it broke, went down really quick actually, and then just stopped. Okay, well, off to a $62 start. I'll pause the software and I'll look around and see what else I can find. Okay, gonna get short here. AFRM 27.75, looking for this thing to start to pick up some more pressure to the downside here. It bounced and then completely failed. So we'll see if this thing wants to pick up some more pressure to the downside. Tesla's also pulling back, Nvidia coming down. So yeah, overall market's coming down. So let's see if this can continue on with a little trend here that's started to form. I will go ahead and pause for now, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, maybe coming down and trying to get 27.65, going to be that key level. So there we go. See if we can get, well, bit of a bounce here. So if this thing does come back down to 27.50, I will be looking to add, but that's if it comes down to 27.50. Look to add to a winner. So 27.50 will look to add. So I'll keep a close eye on it, but I will go ahead and pause for now. Okay, maybe coming down. Well, big bid just showed up there. Don't like that. $27.65. If that bid disappears, I'm going to go ahead and add at that point. Try to anticipate the break of 27.50. So they're in at 27.52. Let's see if we can get the break now of 27.50. So again, added to a winner. Now it's just a question of, does this thing want to come down? Potentially add more at 27.50, because that would be another failure of a little bounce here. But I got to wait for 27.50 to add in Some more shares. Okay, 27.50. All right, I will pause. All right, maybe coming down. It's just hard to know exactly because again, this is live, so I don't know what's coming next, and I'd prefer not to miss the entry point. So I don't mean to keep going back and forth, but okay, coming down maybe. All right, I will pause. All right, maybe again. 27.50. Okay, once again, holding strong. Okay, maybe once more. I mean, look at this area. Crazy. $27.50. It just does not want to budge. $27.58-ish seems to be the problem point. Look at this. It does not want to move. Okay, in there at 27.51. Can we finally get the break? And no. Bounces back up a little bit once again. Wow. Trying to be patient with this one, but it's really starting to test my patience now. Longest trade ever. Come on, 50, just go. Knocking on the door. There's the break. All right, 350 shares left because that was not a very impressive break at all. What a disappointment. I'll hang on to 100 shares, but that was massive disappointment. Yep, all right, I'm out. All that time, and I got the break. And I suppose it made a decent move, but nothing like I was thinking. So, wow. Well, I guess a learning lesson there is sometimes you can devote a whole lot of time and energy to something. And I mean, don't get me wrong. I made $192 on it, but there's no doubt in my mind I thought I was going to be making quite a bit more than that. But I'm just not going to fool around with it anymore. All right, watching NVIDIA here at 175.50 for a potential short. Okay, never mind. Now potentially 175.65, but I want to see it first go up and hit 176. So that'll be my requirement. If I'm going to get in, I first want to see it hit 176. And then 176, or excuse me, 175, 65 would be the entry. There we go. Okay, that requirement has been met. So we'll see if the next requirement is now, or if maybe this is a truly strong bounce, which is why I'm waiting for some sort of confirmation. Because to be fair, that this could very well just be a legitimate bounce, which could make an interesting potential backtest trade up around 176. 55, if it really gets all the way up there. We'll see. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. I want to move on with my day. It's 9:55, 25 minutes, $250. Not exactly what I was wanting, but I also don't want to sound like a greedy savage. I'm aware of what minimum wage is. I'm aware of what people make per hour. So I'm still very, very grateful for it. My point is just that not quite what I was expecting. So given the setup, given all that, I thought I'd get a bit more of a payout there, but it is what it is. So again, I don't want to come across as a greedy savage. I'm very, very grateful for $250 in 25 minutes. But like I said, I just meant it more from the reference point of I thought that pattern would produce a bit more. So that is all I have. If you enjoy these videos, if you would like for me to continue to make these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a simple comment down below. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.